Hi, baby. How was your day today? You missed me? Well, I missed you too. I missed you so much that I followed you today. Yeah, that's right. I saw you with that girl. I saw you.